Okay.
Okay, so nobody is going to believe us. With this wash machine, using it, we have now found two 20 Rand notes over a time period in the wash machine. It's in deep. So, gotta look every time. It looks like a little piece of paper. And this morning I've done washing again. And wachtig, there's another one. So, it's in deep back there. I'm gonna have to try and go in with a tweezer and try and pull it out so it doesn't tear. And we've got another 20 Rand. I wonder if there's more now. Right. We've got a very sloppy wet. If you look nice, you can see the water on it. It's shining with wetness.
How do you feel?
If we keep on like this, we can become millionaires. I love this wash machine. I've never loved front loaders before, but I'm starting to like them more and more. A very wet 20 Rand note. And it's not from our pockets. So
I don't think we possess that much 20 rands.
this is mind-boggling. Third one. Blinking hell.
Wait, can we see the others?
Yeah. Let's have a look here. Get the other ones. There they are. They dry already. So now we've got the wet one with it.
How much does it make now?
60, of course. We keep on like this. We should play the lotto with these.
Yeah.